guys, hope everybody is doing okay. So guys, today I'm taking a very special trip. I'm going to a village in Ukunda. I'll be using SGR, but the problem is that I'm traveling at night. I could not get SGR like for early morning or late afternoon. Unfortunately, I could only get at the one that I got, it was for like 10 p.m. So guys, you see, I'm ready, packed up, ready to go. So you see, you guys, I just arrived at SGR Nairobi terminal, and it's very dark, so I couldn't even take a video outside because it's very dark, very dark, super dark. But the view, it's not a bad view. But you know what, when I'm traveling back, I'll make sure I use morning SGR, so that I need, also for myself, I need to see the sceneries, because I'm telling you, they have very nice sceneries there. It's beautiful, amazing. So now I want to eat something. So guys, I ordered this 2-piece chicken and chips, and one beef burger with chips. It's not that expensive, it's looking good, not bad. It's looking so nice. I like the place so far. It's very beautiful. It's just like the airport. Actually, the security, it's even, I will say the security is more even tight than the airport. Guys, this is the chicken that I ordered. It looks not very tasty, but I'll manage it. I haven't even tasted it. And for the burger, it's just like that. And I've never seen a burger they put a tissue on it. Now, right now, I'm in the SGR and it's like so late, so I'll be off camera for a while. Good morning from the other side, guys. You can see where I am. Look at this. The sun is so hot and it's amazing. I'm in Diani, and right now we're going to the farm. We'll go and harvest something. So guys, in this video you'll experience a lot of new things. Like, you love the place, it's amazing. There is a lot of things here and there, and I'll take you in this journey and it's gonna be amazing. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, I saw some hibiscus over here. Why should I eat it? Hibiscus. Hibiscus, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. You...
End up. Amazing. Look at this now. I don't even know where to start. You can see here we have papaya, we have mangoes. This is the dwarf mangoes, and you see they are loaded, very pregnant. Wow, this is amazing, guys.
Nichukue kuni zangu.
Kapanga huyo.
Wewe anakula vizuri sana hapo, mimi naona.
So ona na change color.
Sana. Hata nywele iko nyeupe, mimi mwenyewe ni mdogo wake na leo yangu.
You see what I found?
Huyu anapeleka kapi mama?
Pigeon peas. Now we are dealing with the
Huyu mzee
locals.
wako?
Najua nini?
Hebu angalia kichwa yake, angalia kichwa yangu.
Wewe ni mafuta mengi unapaka lakini.
Mafuta napaka gani mimi? Mama unaona hiyo? Unajua mimi napaka ngapi? Unakuongelesha wewe unacheka nini? Na mama angalia ule. Angalia hiyo kichwa. Nani ndo anasumbuliwa na akili? Mimi ama ni yeye?
Akata kucheka.
Nani anasumbua nani akili sasa?
Zipanguka, sisi zianguka.
Okay, see, I just found guava, and you see here, I thought it's ripe, but you know the birds, they already eaten this one. I was actually coming. No, there is one here. Wow, see guys, I just harvested a guava, but I think it's rotten. Yeah, it's. Let's see.
Huku kote ni kwa keti hii yote hii, right and left, whatever you're seeing here.
Now you can know. Wow, guys, see some basil. This is Thai basil. Actually, the Thai basil that I have in my house, back in my house, I got it from here. I just took the seeds and I planted. It smells so amazing. And we have also here some corns, but you know, I'm in Kwale County, so corns it can't grow nicely. And guys, see what I found? Hibiscus, kakade, hibiscus, but it's not grown. I'll take some seeds with me. Last time I took actually, but when I was here last time, but it didn't grow. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful, beautiful house. It looks so amazing. Wow, it feels amazing. It's a tiny off-grid home, and it looks amazing. Guys, right now we're going to harvest. Lakini itaanguka chini ama utashikilia?
Uishikilie vizuri. Na usimkate mkono.
Chunga mkono.
Sisi tutamkata. Ni sharp sana.
Ndio.
Awe kata mimi nashikilia. Kama wao you want to take a photo.
Yeah. Guys, now we're gonna harvest this banana. Look at it, it's so huge, it's very big. It's called, I don't know the English name, but Swahili it's boko boko and kalas. Wow, yeah. I just made my first harvest. Eh, shamba hii panga yako ni nzuri, si unipe? Nipige ndio.
Piga tu.
Guys, after harvesting your banana, this is what you do. You come and cut. Yeah, but shit happened.
Sasa sitajenga pa nyingine, ni natural, ni maisha hiyo.
Hem kidogo.
Utaweza wewe?
Sitaki. Nataka kuonyesha nyumba ya deki. Ni deki gani? Kunguru.
Sijui ni
Nguru. Ndege.
Ndege, it's ndege.
Yeah.
There, you see this banana, there is a nest here for what you call a bird. I don't know which type of bird. But don't worry guys, when we harvest, we will take the nest and we'll put it somewhere. So don't worry. Yo, my people, see? You see this passion fruit? It's the giant passion fruit, and this one mainly it's for juice. It's a little sour. Sometimes you might find it sweet, but this is the main reason that I came to this farm, just to harvest. Today it's party after party with passion fruit juice. And the other side I see a lot of sugar cane. So today we are having a feast in this land. It's a blessed land actually. Guys, see, we found some chilies and right now I'm harvesting chili because, you know, we cannot eat food without chili. Can you imagine in this farm you get everything? Like you're in Carrefour, but green Carrefour or your local supermarket. You just harvest here and there. And we have Salim here. Salim, say hi. He's the one who takes care of this farm.
Yeah.
Very hardworking young man here. This is all his hard work.
Yeah, man.
See, now we have another species of banana. This is the sweet banana. But this one, it's actually, let me just hold it. It's very, very high and I'm short, so I'll let Salim to harvest it.
Iko tayari.
Hii ndio kazi yako Shero. Kula mandizi, kula mandizi.
Tumeenda huko barabarani tunazidi.
Kuuza. I don't for charity.
No, charity nani? Charity ya nani hapa? Hizi zimekuwa jingi.
Niko kwa nini?
Sasa unasema papa yangu ni kubwa, ngoja uone za cake pale. Hiyo nini iko tayari moja at least.
Mhogo imeiva.
Mhogo waiva.
Wow.
You taste this one.
I was given to taste. It's very soft. Very soft.
Kata hiyo kubwa pia bana.
This one.
Ambayo itakuwa ngumu.
Si ngumu hii.
Hiyo tamu. Kata ndo.
Guys, have you ever seen a papaya this big? It's actually big than my head. Wow, this is amazing, fantastic. Wow.
Mhogo ndaka.
Kama iko wazi.
Na hizo zingine zenye unakata sasa.
Hapana.
Tazirudisha.
Yeah.
Sasa unatoa wapi?
Nachukua ndo yangu.
Last time actually kept she gave me some seed, but
Sasa pamoja ama. Sasa.
Guys, see now, I'm harvesting cassava. Salim has gone to take a jembe, you know, not machete, this machete. The fork jembe.
Pole leo usinivunjie nini. Jembe. Si jembe, mimi nataka hiyo kitoke nzuri. Wewe unajua kazi yako kuvunja kila kitu. Kuna hapo kweli hiyo itakuwa kubwa kweli.
Nataka chakula mhogo.
Tutakuitia.
Ukuje mhogo.
Atukane basi hapa. Shero. Waona? Mhogo ndio tu. Wanipima nguvu mhogo.
Wow, there is a very big one.
Can you cut the pieces?
Wow. But this cassava is not poisonous?
No, why?
No, because inside there is cyanide.
It's not poisonous, even that thing is bullshit.
No, there is some.
Not this one, I've eaten this one. Yeah, you have to remove
No,
that
there's
thing.
that thing, the
You have to
inside
remove
thing,
it.
Ukuli hiyo mkanda yake.
Ukuli mkanda wake.
Ukikula mkanda wake weza nini? Enda Zayuni. Unajua Zayuni?
Yeah, once they are not die.
I'll not die.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm tasting
Raw.
fresh raw cassava. We just harvested it here.
Even Shero here.
Mm.
Shero,
You feel that texture?
take picture for this guy.
Huh?
taste muhogo there. Yeah.
It's sweet, huh?
You see the taste of it?
Ukipata na nazi huo. Mama yangu.
Hebu mwambie hawajui hao watu wa Nairobi hao watajua
mayogurt.
Leta huko tutagawana na wale pia kidogo mandizi nini. Miogo hii wachana naye mpaka Kate mwenyewe asema mimi nimechukua moja.
Sawa.
Umesikia hizi ni za Kate si za.
Huo ndio maana zwa siku kung'oa.
Mimi nakubaliwa kuja shopping like
this one.
zinakuwa yellow.
Hii ambayo imekuwa yellow, hiyo iko sawa. Ukienda kuiblend, hiyo iko ready. Even this another one here, it's not bad. Yeah,
Hiyo iko sawa pia.
yeah. Mengi lakini bado
Hazitakomaa.
lakini bado mko hapa area.
Bado tuko.
So after 3 days, 2 days. Tangalia tena.
Zinachukua muda gani kama?
Within 4 to 5 days. Ndio napata ya kutosha. Lakini kila siku ziko saa moja mbili. Yeah.
Wow, guys, see, we have a bountiful harvest. We have so many things we've harvested, even bananas. And guys, see this hibiscus, it looks so amazing. You know, there's so many, there are like different varieties of hibiscus. Karkade, this karkade one. And I'm telling you, I will harvest like a lot. I'm going with this like a lot. It's all over this place. Wow. Guys, I'll show you something I discovered. This is the most beautiful thing I've seen today. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I've never seen something like this in my life. And unfortunately, I don't have my phone here with me so that I can Google. But anyway, I'm still here. I'll come and check it out.
Kuna yenye nimeona iko yellow na kuna green zingine nyingi.
Green unaona wapi?
Hii hapa moja, hata hiyo yellow nyingine chini yake. Hii hapa juu.
Yeah.
Vitu hapa sasa hivi.
Aya.
Imekuwa mapi?
Hii hapa chini.
Wow.
What?
Hey.
Sasa mzungu. Exercise ishaingia. Kuna moja hii hapa. Hiyo kubwa umesema imeanguka.
Wow, guys, see, I have a lot of things. I just harvested some lemon, a lot of lemon, and actually this is just wild.
Yeah. Huyu mzee wako akikujaga na chakula anakuja na chakula na mkono tupu, anabeba hivi kwa mkono.
Passion fruit.
Anabebaga hivi. Iko wapi hiyo basi container yangu moja ninawaleteaga ni mwagi.
Tunda tamu.
Abeba hivi.
Guys, after a long day in the farm, I have cowpeas and banana, and now I'm going home. But the problem here is there is snake. Oh, see, we just found some guava, but they're not yet. They're very small, they're growing. This is just a wild one, nobody planted it there.
Masaba. Machungwa unataka? Machungwa ngapi wewe?
Machungwa 10.
Ya 5
Amna
mimi nataka ya 5. Wasemaje nani?
Mwanangu.
Yaani umetulia?
Niko.
Si ndio unaweza kununua kwa shamba, si ndio?
butterflies, you don't have fly issues because
Guys, remember cassava? The one we just harvested. Now we are cooking it. Now we are peeling the cassava. And you see here, like this is what we harvested. Even we have a plantain. We have a plantain there. This is the plantain. This one here, it's different from this one. I don't know the English name for this one and this one. It's the same, but I don't know the name. But this one I know it's plantain. So guys, will be feasting. Hi, Wale. Hi. Hello. You want some cuddle? Later. You know, Miley, something I can tell you about Miley is that she never forgets me. Every time I come here, she'll always come and sit with me here. I usually feel like if Miley was a person, she'll be very kind. The person that you want to hang out with. She's very cool. And there is the brother. The brother is not here. He's not friendly. Okay, nakuja.
Ushaanza kumhepa. No, that's all he wants to do. And that's it, he'll get.
Wow, guys, I found pomegranate. Wow, that one is even rotten. Even nobody is eating them. They've eaten, they are tired. So they are not even eating anymore. I hope I can keep some for curry. And here we have a dragon fruit also. By the way, this one, it's been here. Maybe it will start to fruit soon. I don't know anything about dragon fruit, but I don't know if it's fruiting soon or whatever. And there is something very, very yummy. This fruit, guys, it's so sour. What do you call this? You make a pickle. Ooh. It's extremely sour and crunchy. I don't know if it's the same like jojoba. I don't know the name. What's the name? When I know, I'll tell you that the name, and then I'll make some pickles also. I want to make some pickles. I'll carry them. Hi Nala, how are you? Hi. You see Nala? She's not friendly. She's running away from me. Okay, bye bye Nala.
Deleted the photo we took a long time ago. The first step we told me not to fry the food because of what he told us. Later I tried to cook it to start.
Guys, you're making lamb. It smells like lamb. Very nice lamb.
Recently I saw a photo and referred to him. He died as a militian. He knows very well what I'm about.
Uko sawa hapo? No, I'm okay. Nazi.
Tena ndio Mombasa la karangazi kama hivi, what a shame.
Ndio, what do you mean? She almost went down, bro.
Guys, actually we just finished eating. The food was amazing. That cassava, it was amazing. But Actually, I did not give you the recipe because I'm planning to do it on a video on its own, so don't worry. So I'll be telling you bye bye from Kwale County. Adios.